Today I'll show you how this type of product animation you create on Canva. Go to Canva, press videos and select video landscape. As you can see, Canva change her interface for creating videos. You can add first background. Just tap onto the plus icon and select stock photos and type here which type of background you want. For this design, I want a white background. I select this background. Now you add your product image. For today's design, I add Fantagraph can. You can see that drag the element on the layer. Drop the element on the upper layer, not a background. Just adjust it little more and move to the can on the center. After that, you change the background color first. Select background, go to color and click here. Now tap into a gradient and select color picker. Now select the first color of the darkest color of the can and the second color most lightest color of the can. Now select the gradient style. I change the color position. I think this one is best. I think center color is too dull. Let's change it. Pick the gradient option and select lighter version of the color. That's great. And now time to add some text. Just like for this design, I add first text fresh. Select the text and change the font and select the text. Change the color to white. Increase the text size and place it on the center. Now go to effect and add shadow. After that, go to position and layer and put the text behind the can. Now rotate the can slightly and adjust it like this. And now time to some animation on text. Now add some shadow. Rotate the shadow, adjust with the can. Now go to position and put the shadow behind the can. Now add some graphs or leaf. Place it on the canvas on random places. Maintain the all layer one by one. And now go to position and select all element. Press shift and select all elements and Ctrl G for group. Now duplicate this page and select the groups of element and duplicate this and drag it into the duplicate page. Now create some small changes like rotate the can little more, change the text. I change the text juice and put the text behind the can. Now rotate the can little more and change the grabs positions. Now duplicate this page and go to position, create all the elements group and duplicate it. And now drag to the element group on third page and adjust the element duration. And now follow same process, change text and move to the can little more and move graphs or leaves little more. Now it's time to make another page. Just duplicate the background, then copy all elements and duplicate the elements and drag it into the new background and adjust it little more. Then ungroup it. First change the text. And put the text behind the can. Now change the can position little more and move graphs or leaves. Now select all the elements and create a group. Now duplicate this background and duplicate this element layer. Now drag it into background and adjust it. Now rotate the can and change the can position like this. Move the graphs or leaves little more. Change the text. You can add anything attractive in this portion. Select the text and change the font. And now take an animation of the page. Just tap into between of two pages and I select the animation is match and move. And scroll down little and apply all of the pages. And now set the page duration at 2.5 seconds each page, and also drag the element according to your page duration. Tap to the preview or seeing the overview how it's create. I think something is missing, is not applied animation on the can. Now fix it. Go to the first portion and just select the can and go to animate. Now change the animate style. Now look at this. Now it's your turn. Try creating this product animation in Canva and post your version on Instagram or YouTube. Don't forget to tag me. I'm super excited to see your creation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment and tell me how was it, and share it with someone who needs this tutorial. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing Canva and AI tutorials.